Hello friends. Today in this video I'll show the 3 best methods of Photoshop through which we can change color of objects to any color, even white or black, with best realistic result. So without any delay, let's get started. First method that I'm going to use is hue and saturation. This is most common method that people use. In this image we will change dress color of lady. I already have made my selection. So I'll make a hue and saturation layer above layer of dress. Convert this layer as clipping mask so that it only affect the dress. From hue and saturation properties, you can change color by moving hue slide bar right or left. Yet color is looking a little flat. To fix this I shall make curved layer. Go to curved layer properties. Select hand tool, on the dark area of color click and drag down to make dark area more darker. Similarly from the light color area click and drag up to make light area more bright. This will give a realistic look to colors. Using hue and saturation, you can even change any color to perfect black or white color. For this, move saturation bar all the way to the left side. This will remove all colors from the selected area. Move lightness slide towards left, almost -59 point. To give this a realistic black color look, I will make same changes in curved layers properties. Make light area more bright. By the way, don't forget to convert curved layer as clipping mask. Again, select hand and make darker area more dark and lighter area more bright. This will make perfect black color. Now to make the dress white, double click the square box of hue and saturation and move lightness slide towards right side. To obtain the perfect white color, I'll create a new curved layer. Select the hand tool, click and drag down on dark area to make more dark, similarly make light area more bright. Let's make the dress more white. Go to square box of hue and saturation and move lightness slide towards right. Second method for color changing is using match color option. Using this option you can pick color to any other image to your image. Let's open image of another model and place this side by side to see the result. I want to apply same blue dress to our yellow dress model. Let's make a quick select of blue dress. Make the selection active and then go to your yellow dress model and select her dress also. Now go to Image tab, Adjustment and select Match Color. Here the only this we have to do is to select the source file from where Photoshop will pick the color and will apply on your destination image. And it's done. You can see exact color have been applied on your required image. So cool, right? Third method that I'm going to tell is solid color fill. This is a little difficult one, but this is my favorite method because you can get the best result using this method. As we already have made our selection, if someone gives you a color code or asks you to change the specific color, for example this maroon color, we will create a new layer with name required color. Make a round selection and we'll fill it with our required color. Place this circle over clothes so that we can easily match with dress color. Now above the dress layer, create a solid color layer and select your required color. Convert this layer as clipping mask so that I can apply our dress layer only. Change layer blending mode from normal to color. Now above the dress layer and below the color layer, we will create a new level adjustment layer. Now we only have to adjust its brightness. As dress color is light, so I'll make it dark. By moving these two slides and adjusting brightness and darkness, you will find your required color at a certain point. I think it is looking perfecting here. So friends, I showed you 3 best methods for changing color of any object. In comments please write down which method you like the most. Also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.